Everyone, and welcome to Transform My Trading. I'm going to do a video for Friday, November the 7th. And we had again, it was based on the parameters, TMT levels and angles. We had a pretty good trading day. The chart in front of you guys right now is the 5 minute NQ chart. And I'll do my trading off of the 1 minute. So we're going to switch there in a second. But based on just quickly, this was the open here. Market went down. It was a down, basically the morning session. And then it found support at this level here. There was a great trade right there. And as it climbed, there were a bunch of continuation trades as well. And we'll look those on the 1 minute chart. But even on the downside, there was a couple of trades right here, and I'll show you guys again on the 1 minute chart. So as a day trader, we don't care where the market is, which direction. Well, we do care which direction, but in terms of the long-term direction, we don't really care. We just care for that one specific day. And we got to divide that day into a couple of sections. We've got the morning session, we've got the lunch session, and then we've got the afternoon session. And that's what kind of played around here on Friday. Morning was down. Lunch session was kind of a small consolidation and then started climbing back up. All right, so let's look at the 1 minute chart. The 1 minute chart, I was looking at the market, and as it was coming down, I was actually looking at right here. I really wanted it to come up right around this area to touch the level or the angle for me to short it. It didn't. So I was kind of late to short it, but I did scalp a little bit around this area. Okay. That was actually the second trade. The first trade for me was right here when market came down here, touched this TMT level and reversed. And that was entry was conservative entry would have been above this bar right there. So around 908, 907, 909 area, depending on your feel. All right. So that was the first trade. Second trade was right here. Again, I would have loved this to come a little bit higher, touch the TMT level right there, because it did give us a divergence as well. Look at here. Okay, so if we miss this one, that's fine. Again, from the trading mindset, I don't chase trades. If I miss it, that's fine. So I let the market do its thing. It was kind of a choppy, even though it was going down, but look at the bars and stuff. So I wanted, I didn't really have to trade much. I already had good trades, 2 good trades here. So I let the market do its thing. I put this yellow box here that the market, as it was coming down, it should come down here and find support. It actually broke that level and went further down and found support at this level here. This was a beautiful buy right there. You guys could see the divergence on the RSI. Market double bottomed. In fact, the second bottom was lower than the first bottom, and we had a good divergence. That was a very good entry right there on the long side. Okay, and that turned out to be the low of the day. And market climbed back up. There were several trades. This one I didn't take. I did short right here. There was a divergence close to the TMT level. I didn't buy here. And that was about it for that day, actually. I didn't really, it was kind of choppy too. Look at this section here. You could have lost a lot of money right there. The same thing here. Even though right here, there was a good trade on the short side. Market came and touched the TMT level, and we had a great divergence. Look at that. But that was in the afternoon, and I was done by then. But the best trade for the day was this one right there. Okay, so there was 1, 2, 3 trades, and we would have called it a day. All right, thank you very much, and I'll post this on the YouTube.